In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update YouCam Perfect app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get the latest version of YouCam Perfect app and also to fix any issues that might be related to your YouCam Perfect app, you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version. To do this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. Now, to update your app, you need to go ahead and look for either Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go and look for this app called Play Store. So if you tap on Play Store, you will be taken to this interface where you can search for your app using the search bar on top here or search icon on the bottom right. So if you tap on it, go ahead and search for your app by name and then tap on search. And as you can see, we have our YouCam app here. As you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of YouCam Perfect Photo Editor app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of YouCam Perfect Photo Editor app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you can go ahead and open from here to start using the latest YouCam Perfect app for your photo editing. So that's how you can get the latest version of YouCam Perfect app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.